Hi, Matt here from Crooks Cabinet Makers. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to maintain your mitre saw, including just a clean up, changing the blades and checking for square. So the mitre saw's been out on the work site, been banged around a bit in the back of the van. First thing I need to do is fix it back down to the base and give it a clean up. So after a quick hoovering it looks okay, but if we look in here there's areas the hoover just can't reach. So now in the back here, around this area and here, less of the dust build up. It's resinous timber. You need to clean as much of that off as possible. As you all know, WD-40 is mostly predominantly a cleaning agent. It does make things run smoother. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of oil. I'm satisfied my saw is as clean as it possibly could be, and it's as lubricated as is necessary, I suppose. So now what I'm going to do is change the blade, but I'll walk you through it and show you how it's done. Right, before we start anything, make sure it's unplugged. Right, so what we got here, we've got the guard, that's got to come off. In here we've got the spindle lock. I'm going to lock that off so it doesn't slide backwards and forwards. So all of that comes off in a nice easy motion. Try not to touch your saw teeth. I'm locked in. I'm unlocked. So we've got a plate that goes over. Take the blade out. What we got here, this is a trend blade, and this is just back from the sharpeners. Take that off. Right, so this is another expensive blade. Here we go. So put it in. Get the ball rolling. Press the spindle lock in. When you firm it up with your finger, that means you can tell when it's all fitting snugly. Tighten it off. You don't need to over tighten it, just tighten it nice and firm. Giving it a good bit of welly there, that's fine. Okay, so put the guard back on, most crucial. Always safety first. Okay, and there we have it. Previously I made a video about how to adjust your mitre saw, but I don't think I've recorded it very well. So what I'm going to do is go back to the drawing board and make a new video and show you that part of it again. So I've got a nice piece of birch face ply and a nice straight edge along there. So the first thing we've got to do is take a slice off there and check the square. So right now I'm just going to lay the square on it and have a look. So I'll show you what I see. So let me show you again. I've written on there, noted on there, it's daylight. So if you look, you can see just a very tiny hint of daylight creeping through. So if we start from the back, we've got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. To adjust this fence, the first thing you need to do is clear these, then loosen these. So I've been over it and I've had a look and I've found that there is a little bit of daylight creeping through. So the first thing to do is loosen those nuts, fraction of a loosen. They should be still quite firm. Some people, they'll bring this down and then they'll try and measure the square off the fence to the blade. That's just not the best way to do it. The saw blade will give you a constantly inaccurate varying reading. But my go-to square for this job is the engineering square. So inside here we have a channel and that will give me a reading that is far more accurate than measuring off the blade. If we look down there, it looks like it's slightly going back. If I flip that around, measure across here, again it looks like this is slightly, there's a gap. Same. But what that does is it brings the fence reading from this point and this point. You have a complete fence reading. Okay, so if I look at that, it's not too badly out, although it does indicate this side of the fence needs to come forward or this one needs to go back. So again from here, okay, that shows me the same problem. Tap. looks pretty accurate to me. I think I've got it. Once you think you're about there, tighten it off. So it's pretty damn good. So if we look down that now, that's much better than it was. Absolutely perfect. No light through that at all. You should be able to see that. So there we go. New blade, sharp as you like, clean and well functioning, ready for another day on the site. Right, so I hope that's reasonably clear what to do for your saw. As always, stay safe in the workshop. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.